starting on Fiverr and wondering how to land that crucial first order? In this video, I'll share proven strategies to help you get your first sale and start building your Fiverr reputation. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Getting your first order can feel challenging, but with the right approach, you can overcome the initial hurdle and start your Fiverr journey successfully. Let me show you how to make that important first sale. First, optimize your gig completely before actively seeking orders. Ensure your title, description, images, and tags are all professionally crafted and accurately represent your services. A polished gig builds instant credibility. Use Fiverr's buyer requests section daily to find potential customers. Carefully read each request and send personalized offers that directly address the buyer's needs. Focus on providing value rather than just stating your price. Offer competitive pricing initially to attract your first customers. While you shouldn't undervalue your work, consider offering introductory pricing to build your initial reviews and reputation. Promote your gig through your network and social media channels. Share your Fiverr link with friends, family, and professional contacts who might need your services or know someone who does. A crucial pro tip: be extremely responsive to messages and inquiries. New buyers often message multiple sellers, and quick, professional responses can give you the edge. Also, consider offering a limited time discount or bonus feature for your first few customers to create urgency and added value. And just like that, you're on your way to securing your first Fiverr order. Remember that every successful seller started with that first sale, and with persistence and quality service, you'll build momentum. If these strategies help you get your first order, please give it a like. What strategy worked best for getting your first Fiverr order? Share your success story in the comments below. To continue mastering Fiverr, subscribe for our next video on how to handle buyer requests on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.